How are you doing? How's life? We're in Italy. We have to make a decision, okay? Do we sit here and look at this? Or do we venture into the town and tear shit up? I think you already know what the answer is. I always find eating in Italy kind of strange because I'm not a fan of cheese. I know it's criminal. That is, some say, as bad as not liking dogs, but I love dogs, so okay, I'm not fully psychopathic. But yeah, not a fan of tomatoes either. There's always something that saves the day. You just gotta find it. But like, I'm all here for the desserts. So I don't even want food. I just want dessert. Can I have 3 desserts? Is that illegal? I don't know about you, but that would be great for me. Excellent dinner. I'm so tired now. Okay, let's go back to the van because I bought my cannolis and I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I've been waiting like very many months. Sexy car park right next to the sea. It's such a good parking space. It's not free, but it's such a good parking space. So yeah, we're doing a little tour of Italy. So I thought it'd be fun to capture all these places and things. And it feels different because I'm filming with my dad this time. It's something that I have to get used to, but it's so much safer and so much of a more organized and everything experience, which I mean is part of the beauty. Is nothing I do is ever organized. It just kind of happens. I use the world as my film set. Whoa! Oh my god. The pistachio is amazing. You got crumbs in your beard, you little psychopath.
Okay, let's get ready for bed.